Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Founder Institute Code Ghulam Muhammad. Start to my presentation, the intro of my presentation topic NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. About NASA, Muhammad Zaid Khan. Most welcome. They are the seven-man content of NASA. Launching of NASA, early space flight, Apollo mission, space shuttle, science of space, the first in a NASA aeronautic area of research, International Space Station (SIS). When NASA started many missions after its creation, and within 20 years it has set many missions like Mercury Single Astronautic Program, Project Gemini 2 Astronautic Robotic Mission to the Moon, Astronautic Research Remote Singing Earth Satellite Application of Satellites in Communication. Thanks. First is launching of NASA, established in October 1958. After World War II, there was a Cold War between USA and Russia. A broad constraint was there among our space race. American president declared the International Geographical Years (IGY) for the period July 1, 1957 to December 31, 1958. 70 launches. The word has the IGY enter. It had Pearl Harbor fraction of American, and this thing product stimulus to World One aeronautic fields. Thanks. And the second, early space flight. Mercury space flight on May 5, 1961. Allen became the first American to fly into space, an effort to learn women survive in space. Space flight. This was built on Mercury flight's experience, built for 2 astronautic 10 flights, provided NASA more information regarding space. During Game 4 on June 3, 1965, when Edward H. Watt Jr. became the first U.S. astronaut to conduct a spacewalk. Going to Moon project Apollo NASA achievement involved human exploration to space in early year, but after society's success in space project, Apollo became their first and high profile project to make this dream real. NASA sent Air 11th year on this project, and it demands $25 billion. NASA had to save money, currency, and financially problems, but they bounced back with great reward. 5 more successful landing mission follow. The Apollo 13 mission of April 1970 attracted to public's attention. 17 mission of December 1972, NASA completed a successful engineering and scientific program. Space Shuttle. After a gap of 6 years, NASA returned to human spaceflight in 1981, demonstrating it is could take off vertically and land to an unpowered airplane like landing. NASA in paused to return to flight enemy in summary 2005 with the STS-11 for mission. There are three shuttle orbit in NASA flight fields. Number one, Atlantis. Number two, Discovering. Number three, and Ever. Toward a permanent human presence in space. For private state in space, NASA establishes its space base and entails effort in this area was NASA Skylab program in 1973. In 1984, Congress NASA to build a major new space station as a base for further exploration of NASA. Russia experience Russia joined NASA as international partners to build an space facilities that now has international space section. Atlantic shuttle orbiters. International Space Station. It, it is a artificial satellite in low Earth orbit whose first component was launched in 1998. Aeronautics known the largest fundamental aeronautic program is to achieve technological micro gravity and space nursery to our national laboratory in air transportation include reduce noise, amazing and increase mobility through a faster means of transfer to control civil aviation national security goal. Thanks. NASA collaboration. Number one, the Russian Federal Space Agency, and the number two, JASA, JASA, and the number three, ESA, number four, CSA. NASA research area. Number one, solar system. Number two, beyond the Earth. Number three, commercially space. Number four, Earth. And number five, technology. नासा रिसर्च एरिया वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो अगर अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। नंबर 3 कॉमेरिकली स्पैश नंबर 4